Prepare the serum samples and test kits. Open the foil pouch, take out the test card and put it on a flat and clean work surface. Use the provided capillary tube to aspirate 10 microliter of the sample, then add it vertically to the sample hole. Note that the black line on the capillary tube is the 10 microliter quantification line. After waiting for 1 minute, add 4 drops of the assay buffer vertically to the B hole. Read the result at room temperature in 15 to 20 minutes. The results after 20 minutes are for reference only. Interpret the results within the result window. If only the control line C appears, it indicates a negative result. If both the test line T and the control line C appear simultaneously, it indicates a positive result. Additionally, the higher the antigen titer, the darker the color of the test line T. If the control line C does not appear, the result might be considered invalid.